Good morning, it's me again. I'm here at Peter's today. We're going to do a video of his in restoring a tractor, a Fordson tractor, and I'm going to have a chat with Peter and he's going to tell me what he's doing to it and how long does it take him, one thing and another. Just a quick one there. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it. It makes sense to me. But anyway, onwards and upwards, we're going to meet Peter now. And he's going to give us an idea of what he's doing to this Fordson Dexta. Hello Peter, how we doing?
Alright.
And what we got going this time? Restoring?
Dexta.
A Super Dexta or just a plain Dexta?
Just a plain Dexta.
And you say it's a live drive on it, isn't it?
We're going to make it a live drive one.
You're going to make it a live drive one?
Well, it was a normal Dexta, but I want a live drive for ploughing matches.
Okay.
So that's what I'm doing.
So where are we at the moment then? I can see the rear axles on the floor.
There's the rear axle on the floor, the gearbox is over the other side.
Let me take you to the gearbox.
Basically we're cleaning up and assembling.
So it be as good as your other tractors you've restored in the past, Peter?
Should ought to be, yeah.
Your mate Bob and yourself?
Yeah, Bob's not here today, and I thought he was coming up, but he's having a day off.
Great. So how long have you had this tractor for, Peter?
8 or 9 years.
And you're just getting round to put it back together again?
Just getting it round to putting it back together.
Ready for this year's ploughing matches?
We hope so.
We hope so.
Yeah.
And so what sort of horsepower on the Fordson Dexta is it?
It's, I don't know, 39 horsepower, something like that.
Yeah.
40.
Got a beautiful workshop here, I like to see this. It's 3-cylinder I see, with Sims diesel pump. And is the engine all ready to go, is it?
Yeah, yeah, it's been rebored and new rings and everything put in it, and we're just assembling it up.
Oh, okay.
Bits are missing, like this little bracket here, so I've just made that, making the stop thing. And then there's the clutch down there ready to go on. It's a much bigger clutch than you've got for a normal single clutch.
Okay.
Yeah.
And whereabouts are we with the clutch? Are we
But that's ready to go on.
It's ready to go on there, is it?
That is it, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And
that bolt's on here. On the flywheel.
yeah. Okay. That's fantastic. It looks in good shape. Ready to go. So how long before you reckon it'll be up and running?
Oh, it takes ages, doesn't it? I mean, it's time I've got to make all these bits up.
Yeah.
Find a water pump.
Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna have to show the viewers some of your other one of your other tractors you've done up. It looks really nice. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But I would like to do this video now and then what it looks like at the end in a couple of months' time, hopefully.
yeah. There's the gearbox there. Underneath that lot.
So how are you going to make it a live drive?
Well, with that clutch.
With that clutch?
Yeah.
I see.
So live drive is when you push your clutch pedal down, it stops going forward.
Yeah.
But your power take off and your hydraulics still work.
Right. Okay. And that's the only difference it makes, is it?
Yeah. Well, normally when you put the clutch down, it stops the power takeoff going through to the back axle.
Gotcha,
and
yeah.
Hydraulics stop. So you have to put it into neutral, take your foot off the clutch to move the handle up and down.
Oh, okay.
But live drive is you just stop you got two-stage clutch. This one stops you going forward. This big one.
Yeah.
Which is more this way, and then when you press it right down, it stops the whole lot. That's the power takeoff clutch.
Oh, it makes a lot of sense now. I can see that. Yeah, because you're a Fordson man, I understand, aren't you?
Yes, yes.
None of them grey Fergies for you.
No, no.
No, you're blue and blue all through.
Blue and blue all through.
Yeah. So Bob's not with you today, but he's got some super majors, hasn't he? All
Yeah, they're
you've
up.
done up together.
Yeah, they're up there.
Can I show them to the viewers?
Yes, yeah. Go and show them.
Let's have a look. I'll walk with you, Peter. Peter's got an amazing yard full of old tractors.
There's a Super Dexta done.
This is your one that you done up a couple of years back, wasn't it?
Bob done that. Oh, that's Bob's one.
This is Bob's one?
Yeah, this is actually Bob's one.
Where's your one then? You done it from nothing then?
It's up in the other shed.
Ah, okay. And this is just oh, this is a Super Dexta.
That's right.
This is in fine fettle, isn't it? He does a good job, Bob.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's no messing with him.
No. And this is an old one that we're going to do eventually. This is a Super Dexta.
Yes, we had a little fight over this, didn't we? About me wanting to buying it off you.
Yeah.
But you wouldn't have it.
No, that's a job in hand.
Of course, there's your player in Major.
That's the one I used to play in. That's a 1953.
Yep. Are we going on? There's one next month. I'm down in Marden. You coming down to that one?
That's right. It's the Kent Championship or something. Yeah.
You've had this some years though, Peter, haven't you?
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's just purely for your hobby. It's not for to look nice or anything like that. It's just
a working tractor.
a working tractor. We like the sound of that.
And that's Bob's brother's tractor. That's a Super Major.
But it belongs to Bob though, doesn't it?
I think so, yeah.
He's still got tinsel on it from the Christmas do, I see.
Yeah. They're just at the moment, they're re-welding new ball hitches on them, see?
Oh, okay.
So you can buy these bits to make them so they...
I like your transport.
Yeah, it's a bit of water pipe.
It works a treat though, Pete, doesn't it?
And that's me show one.
Oh, that's the one. I'll have to show the viewers sometime the
When it's out.
when it's out and on the lawn.
Yeah.
But also of the pictures when you first got hold of it.
That's right.
What it looked like.
Yeah.
Because it really does look nice. The tyres are all in fine fettle. Oh, you make me jealous. So jealous. I'm building a workshop now, but I'm not in yours and Bob's league. Oh, it's a Fergie.
This is a Fergie 35. That's not mine, that's a friend of mine's.
Equivalent to the Super Dexta, would you say it was? As in horsepower?
Well, it's the same engine as the Dexta.
It's
got a different pump on it.
Oh, okay.
This engine in these Ford Dexters were actually made by Perkins.
Oh, okay.
Ford used to do the castings at Dagenham, send the castings up to Peterborough, and Peterborough they used to make the engines up, and that's it. So basically it's a 3-cylinder, same as a Fergie, but it's got a different pump on it and different oil system sort of thing, where you put the oil in, see?
Yeah, that's got a Sims pump. The Dexter's got a Sims pump, yes.
This has got a CAV rotary pump.
And that's got a
But you
CAV.
put the water in, the oil in there, see?
Yeah. Oh.
So basically it's the same, and it hasn't got the filters back here, the fuel filter, whereas mine's bolted onto the engine.
Fantastic. Is there another one you've done up over the years?
Mark, my friend Mark, who passed away a few years back,
Oh dear.
he done that up. And that's his son's now, so his son keeps it, and that's it.
I'll just give the viewers a quick look from this side of your working tractor. Perhaps in a couple of weeks' time when the sun comes out, we'll have them out on the lawn.
Yeah.
And we can get a better look on them then, can't we? But I'm amazed at your collection, Peter, and Bob's. But Bob's not got all his tractors here though, has he?
No, he's still going, and that's me 2 working tractors there.
More old tractors. And these are 3000s, are they?
They're 3,000, yeah.
Because you're heavily into the club scene as well, aren't you, in the player and competitions? And all these players under wraps. Let's just show the people all your players and bits and bobs. And I sneak a grey Fergie over the back here as well. That's obviously a friend's tractor. TEF.
Yeah, that was my friend's grandfather tractor. So
Oh,
that's
okay.
why he's keeping it, yeah.
And you're looking after them all as usual.
Looking after them.
Yeah. What's your player for your matches then, Peter?
That one there.
This one here. This is your favourite of all your collection, is it?
Well, it's all right. There's that one and this one's mine. They're two furrows.
Yeah.
They're two furrow ransoms, TS59s.
All covered up, oiled up
Covered
this
up.
time of year.
And that's Bob's Brothers.
Which-
Three furrow there.
What, this one here?
No, this is paint.
Oh, the one that's ready for the show.
They're doing. They're working on that at the moment.
Once again, all greased up. What do you put on your balls to stop them rusting away, Peter?
Old grease.
Plain and simple.
Not modern grease, because modern grease runs off with the rain.
Yeah.
But if you can get old ex-army stuff, it stays on, as you can see from there.
And where would you get that from?
Just have to look at sales and stuff and
Yeah.
see if you can pick it up.
Okay. The tail pieces on it, I forget what we call them at the moment.
Tail pieces.
Tail pieces, that sounds good. A lot of ploughmen says there's no need for them. What's your conclusion on that
Oh,
subject?
yeah. Most of them have them on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But a lot of them haven't turned up where I've been chatting to them.
All depends what the conditions are. Sometimes they make a mess, and sometimes you want them just to turn it over a bit
Yeah.
more.
And why would you use a different disc on your ploughing matches? Because some people carry a right-hand disc, I understand.
That's right. It's just when they finished and when they start.
Ah, okay.
But that's when you really get professional.
Professional.
If you do it just for a hobby and just for a laugh.
We like to do it as a hobby and a laugh, don't we,
That's
Pete?
right.
Anyway, another one
fine
there
now.
ready to be done up,
Restored.
restored.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks again, Peter.
That's all right.
I'm going to close the video off now and put it on tonight and show the viewers.
Good for you.
Well, thank you very much for coming along, and thank you for Peter. It's nice of him to show me his tractors, and the ones he's part restoring, and I should be back for a part 2 of when it is fully restored, and you could see what actually the hard work they put into all their tractors. But thanks again. Like and subscribe if you like it. Comment down below. Subscribe will make me happy, make you happy as well, I suppose. But thanks again for coming along, and see you in the future. See you later.